Hi, I'm Aaron and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm making Japanese ramen noodles. It's so easy to make, it only takes 7 ingredients. The ingredients are noodles, chicken, miso, eggs, don't let them crack, ginger, green vegetables, and spinach. First, let's debone the chicken. Once it's deboned, season the chicken with salt and pepper. Prepare the stock by adding chicken bone, shallot, ginger, bok choy, and a little bit of salt and let it boil for 30 to 40 minutes. Cook the chicken in the pan until it's crispy on both sides. Now slowly add the stock to the miso paste to make the broth for the ramen. Add the remaining stock and your soup for the noodle is ready. Take the bok choy out after 2 minutes. Now it's time to prepare our ramen.
Like and subscribe or I'll keep picking. Bye for now.